If you want a quick fix solution to cover dirt in your workshop due to loose tiles, watch this video and I will show you how I turn this patch of mud into this hard flooring. Now let's go.
Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, go!
So I'm using sharp sand that I bought from my local hardware store, which was Wicks, and I am mixing cement 4 spades. So for each sack of sharp sand of 20 kgs, I am mixing 4 spades of cement.
Good. Now dig it up. More?
So my daughter decided to manage this project, so as you can see, we was under a lot of pressure.
Make water fall down. More? Cover that. Good. And mix. Water. Good. And mix more. Yeah. And attach. Push it forward. And then put some more water.
I'm adding water gradually to get it to a porridge type consistency.
You need some more water to cover that pond. Oh.
This is the first bucket done. Now I am making the second bucket mix. So here we're adding water to settle the loose dirt, and then we will be using a piece of wood to just stamp it down and compact it so the surface is hard for us to then make the pour. So first I'm just spreading it out roughly just to get it all evened out, and then we're going to go over with a trowel and spread it quite specifically and cover any parts that we've missed.
We need to cover all this. That's what we need.
So here I'm adding a bit of a step so the rainwater does not go inside the workshop. So we have the assistant manager on the scene now, trying to give me a bit of a hand. So after the ground has been made wet, we are stamping it down with a piece of wood that I've mentioned before. Now let's begin the second pour. So at this point I realized I needed another bag of sharp sand, so I needed to do 3 mixes as it was not covering enough of the flooring. Doing this for the first time, I must say this really tests your back. So here I'm going over with a light brush just to get rid of any streaks or lines. So that's the second section done. Now you can see the first section that I've done, and it's starting to dry. That's why there is a difference in color. So using a plank, just spread it evenly as much as you can, and then go over with the trowel and just cover any missed parts. A quick before shot. As you can see, it gets messy. I'm really happy with the way this turned out. As you can see, there isn't going to be any dirt and extra brooming for me to do when working on a project because it's covered with the cement, and you can see shades of grey everywhere because some parts are drying quicker than others. So once it's fully dry, hopefully it should look one full color. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Remember to like, share and subscribe to not miss out my upcoming videos. Thank you for watching, guys.